Hi, my name is Linus Drissel. I'm a computer science major.
And I'm Chris Everett. I'm also a computer science major, and this is our project, Sudoku Versus. So, to show our game off, we have currently implemented a regular Sudoku puzzle. You can enter in a number, and if you see here that you got the answer wrong, it indicates that you've lost a life. And so if you keep making the same mistakes, or make different mistakes, it'll eventually give you a game over. And so if you play again, go to the thing. Now, you see that we have the scoreboard here, and it's not implemented yet. We're working on the logic for the script. So we have the script here that has the clock. And so what will happen is that we have this workaround for right now. It's called the get a hint button, and it's tied to a get a hint method. And so if you click this button, it randomly solves a square. And so what will happen is the computer will count up every time that this get a hint method goes off, and it's going to be tied to a timer. And so what happens is that as the player solves squares, they'll get points. As the computer solves squares, it'll get points. And then once the board's completed and we get to the end of the game, what will happen is that it'll tally who got the most and show if you won or you lost.
Alright, yeah, and we also did this project using the Agile Development method. So if we just go to here, we have our Scrum board that has all the different user stories that we planned out and kind of organizing. We organized each of the different components of the project into different user stories that are assigned to each group member. And, and that in combination with having everything in 3 different sprints helps us get everything done.
So it was all coded in C# and using Visual Studio and going into Unity itself. And so with this project, nobody on our team has ever used Unity before. And so it's been a learning process, which is nice. And I have never used C# before. And so I got a nice little crash course with this. So we've learned a lot. And, I'm hoping that by the end of this class and the end of the program that, we're all going to be set up to do really great things with computer science.